Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Gino, your RV specialist. So Gino's over here, he's actually taking the springs now out of that suspension that was over here that we were talking about. And he's driving out the nylon bushings that's in there. And then he's getting ready to install the bronze bushings. And then he's also going to take these shocks over to the bench and straighten them out because they're all out of kilter. As you can see, they need to be straightened. So they fanned out from hard traveling. So the owners must have turned in and out of something a little bit too hard. Here, go ahead. I'll hold it for you.
Sure.
That one's kind of
A little
wider, flared out, bushed out where it's worn. There you go. Got her out. All right. So anyways, something else we were talking about this is so the leaf springs were fanned out, but the owner at one point, either he did it or they had somebody else do it, they replaced these springs with the e-trailer springs, and which is fine because at the end of the day, to us, it's just metal. But we're pretty sure that they increased the amount of leaves that it had compared to the original. So what happened was in the previous video, the U-bolts that are here, you can see that the bolt was just barely, sticking out. The head was just cresting into the inside of it, and that's not good. It's not long enough. Anytime you take these off, you want to have them replaced. And the current bolts, let me match this up just to kind of show you. So we're actually using a Roadmaster kit. So Roadmaster, which is unique about them, is they make your standard U-bolts come in two sizes. They make a 1/2 inch and a 9/16 for what we do for our industry, but they come in two lengths. When I say two sizes, they basically make a 7-inch, which that's what this is, and then they make typically a 9.5 inch, and the 9.5 inch would be way too long. We'd have to cut them. So here recently, Roadmaster, from working with them, they issued made a U-bolt kit, which is really nice. So the U-bolt kit's actually like 8 3/4 of an inch. So it's basically 1 inch and 3/8 longer than the small U-bolt that's in the market, as well as the longer U-bolt that's in the market that's too long. So the other one's approximately like another 1 1/4 inch longer than that. So now when he goes to put this back in, the nuts and bolts with the washers, they'll actually be able to stick past it like normally would. So when I say stick past it, and I'm sorry I'm not using the correct terminology, but when I'm saying that the U-bolt head will stick out past the nut that's on there for the saddle plate. So anyways, well, stay tuned for more. Again, this is Dustin, Gino, your RV specialist. Hope these videos help you in some way, shape, or form. We will talk to you soon. And Gino's getting ready to start assembling this guy back. We're still waiting on the replacement for this guy. And so this is the old yellow EcoFlex that's all aged out, worn out. This is, I believe this is 11 years old. You can also see that it is all warped right here. It's where it got bent from side to side movement. Also the bushings and stuff on it are all shot and wore past actually the casting for it that holds it, especially like this one right here. So you can see where that completely worn through. So there was no possible way of reusing that equalizer. Plus these equalizers, I believe online, so they discontinued them, but I believe online they've made newer versions that are black now. And these previous ones, I think it stated on there that they were supposed to be replaced every 5 years. So the newer ones, or I guess, I don't know if they've changed any design on them or not, but we'll find out when it gets here. But I believe on this one, we were able to track down a yellow one to replace it for exact, because we don't want to throw off the geometry of how everything lines up. The other thing too is the owner had used 2 shackle links to sandwich those up to create a thicker shackle link. So we actually got an aftermarket shackle link set that was cheaper. And so we're gonna put these guys on there. He's actually getting ready to drive those bushings in. So these are the new bronze bushings that's gonna go in, and it's gonna be a wet bolt kit. And so this is the new thicker shackle link instead of it being 2 separate pieces like that. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more.